Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. Today we're making a salted honey pie. This pie is perfect for hot weather days because it's served cold out of the fridge. Its delicious custardy filling has an almost caramelly flavor. Let's jump into the recipe. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit.
You'll want to line an 8-inch pie dish with your crust. I've just created a little fancy braid around the edge so it looks pretty when it's all baked.
Our pie crust needs to chill so it can set up. So we're going to pop it into the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes while we make our custard.
To a medium bowl, add 4 egg yolks and just break them up until they're all whisked together. To a saucepan, add 37 grams of cornflour. I'm sifting it because I don't want any lumps in my custard. In goes 144 grams of brown sugar and 3 grams of salt. Then let's start to break up that sugar and stir it all together. Now add in 600 milliliters of double or heavy cream. We'll stir this so it starts to come together and turn the heat to medium so that sugar can melt. You'll want to be stirring this mixture constantly so that it doesn't burn to the bottom. As it heats up, the mix will thin out. You'll know it's ready when you start to see bubbling coming up under the surface. Now we'll temper the eggs by adding a small amount of the cream to our egg yolks. If you were to add it all at once, you'd end up with scrambled eggs. Nobody likes a scrambled egg custard. Whisk consistently while adding your cream mixture to the eggs. You'll want the eggs to reach the same temperature as the cream. Once that's combined, add in 10 milliliters or 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 120 milliliters of honey. That honey will start to melt in the custard and it just smells amazing. To make sure our custard is as smooth can be, we're going to strain it into our chilled pie crust. Now carefully place your pie into the oven and set a timer for 40 minutes.
Now that your pie is out of the oven, you'll want it to cool completely. It will still have quite a jiggly center at this point, but it will firm up as it cools. And once it's cooled to room temperature, it goes into the fridge for at least 2 hours.
Once chilled, sprinkle with your favorite sea salt to garnish. And enjoy!
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe bell, and leave us a comment down below. And if you're looking for a more Canadian version of this, check out my butter tarts here. We'll see you next time.